Yes, you read right. This is the easiest way to create a website. No prompts, no coding, no setup, no frameworks, and completely free. No money involved. You will be able to design a perfect eye-catching UI that instantly grabs attention, whether you are creating a landing page or a business website or any other type of website. Your UI will look clean, modern, and professional. Normally, building a website takes time, design, development, revisions, testing, and lots of money. But today, that process looks very different. In this video, I will show you how to build a full website in just seconds using Aura.Build and Google AI Studio powered by Gemini without writing a single line of code or setting up anything. If you find this useful, subscribe to the channel and join my Telegram group for more updates like this. So let's begin. First, go to Aura.Build. Aura is an AI-based landing page and UI builder that helps you to create a stunning website design in seconds. You don't need any design skills, and once your design is ready, you can export it to HTML or Figma. As soon as you open Aura, you will see many beautiful and modern website templates. Let me go to the templates section. Here you can find different types of templates such as web, mobile, animation, login pages, sidebars, onboarding screens, grids layout, payment pages, and even 3D style designs. Now let's move to the component section. I'm just showing you everything on Aura, what you can do, so you can explore it by your own way. In component section, you will find ready-made UI elements like hero sections, buttons, cards, backgrounds, headers, logos, feature section, pricing blocks, testimonials, footers, forms, headings, everything. Everything you need to build a complete website UI is already here. Aura provides high quality assets for your website too. Images, logos, and other visual elements. All clear and professional. Now, if you design and publish a full website directly using Aura, it cost money because many features are paid. But don't worry, that's exactly why I am showing you the best and completely free way to design and create a landing page or website that looks like this. Now, let's choose one template for our website. If you look closely, all these templates are very professional and clean. The buttons, the hero sections, animation, spacing, everything looks modern and up to date. This is kind of UI most people want on their landing pages today. You will find templates in both light and dark themes and designed for almost every industries, business, creators, agencies, e-commerce, crypto, AI, startups, portfolios, and many more. Most use cases are already covered. So now we will pick one template and move to the next step. Now look at this template. This one is designed for a lawyer firm. The hero section looks perfect. The loading animation is smooth. All the sections are very well structured. It has clean, professional business portfolio style design. So let's select this template. In Aura, you will find both free and paid templates. Make sure you choose the free template. Now click on preview. Here you will see the use of for free button. I will click on that. Next, click on Remix Full Template. In a new window will open. In this editor, you can customize each section of the template if you want. Text, layout, images, and more. But for now, don't change anything. We only need the design structure. So I am going to directly to the export option. From here, I will copy the HTML code and I will also download the HTML file. Okay, done. Now we don't need Aura anymore. Aura's work is complete. In next step, we will move to the Google AI Studio. Now open Google AI Studio and go to Build section. Here you will see a new Gemini 3 Flash preview model. This is the latest and one of the most powerful Gemini models available right now. Now in the chat box, simply type build this website. After that, paste the HTML code you copied from Aura. and also upload a HTML file you downloaded from Aura. Okay, now I will click the build button. Now watch this. Google AI Studio starts building the exact same website for us. This is the amazing part. Every details get recreated, and the layout, the section, the styling, the buttons and headings, the images, and even the loading animation. This means you can take any template, use it as a reference, and turn it to your own website, completely free and in easiest way possible. After a few moments, our website is ready. You can see it. It looks exactly the same as Aura templates. The hero section, buttons, titles, animation, images, all are perfectly matched. AI Studio built this for us. You can also switch to mobile preview, and you will see the website looks clean and seamless on mobile as well. The experience is smooth, responsive, and professional. To show you, I'm just comparing both websites, the Aura one and the one created by Google AI Studio. You can see both looks similar and same. Nothing is changed. So you can copy multiple templates as well this thing. Now this website looks perfect, but it's not ours web yet. Right now it still has a Aura template content. So let's customize it for our own use, maybe for your business or for your client. In my case, I'm doing this for a client website. The law firm name is Union Law Firm. So in Google AI Studio, I simply give a prompt like change the law firm name to Union Law Firm and update it everywhere on the website. That's it. Now Gemini will update the website automatically. You can see the changes are done. The logo is updated, the title wherever the law firm is mentioned, that is also updated, the footer section is also updated, and the name is changed everywhere across the website. Just like that, the template is now converted into a real client website. No manual editing, no searching through code. AI handles everything for you. Now let's change the hero section title. Right now the hero heading says armed with skill and heart. But I want to update this for our client. So in Google AI Studio, I give the prompt. Please change the hero section title from armed with skill and heart to Union Law only for your service. Now Gemini will process the request. And just like that, the hero section is also updated. You can see this. I have just skipped the waiting part. I'm just showing you the results. You can see the new title appears clearly in the hero section, matching the brand and law firm identity, and as per the old one. Only the writing and the content written was changed. This is how easily you can customize any part of the website just by describing what you want in plain English. This way you can change all the detail, whatever you want to update or customize. Text, heading, buttons, sections, images, colors, everything you can modify. This gives you a fully customized website, exactly the way you and your clients needs. Now let's connect the contact form so we can receive all inquiries and form submission data directly on our email. For this, I am using Forms Free. It's a super simple and very fast. I have made already a detailed video on this topic, so you can check that out if you want to learn deeper explanation. Now open Forms Free website in a new tab. Sign up using your email credentials. Once you are logged in, click on New Form. Here, just give a name to your form. I am naming it Union Law Firm. After this, Forms Free will automatically generate a form endpoint link. Now copy this link and again go back to the Google AI Studio where you are building the website. Paste the Forms Free link and give a prompt like connect this Forms Free link to all the forms available on this website so that all form data is collected. Now AI Studio starts working. It connects the form submission to Forms Free. So every inquiry will be sent directly to your email inbox. That's it. The form is now connected. So let's test it. I will fill the form with some random details just to give you the demo and clicking on submit button. and you can see the message shows form submitted successfully. Okay, now let's check our email. I'm going to my Gmail, as I have logged in with this Gmail only in Forms Free. So yes, we have received the email from the website form submission. That means the form is working, data collection is active. No backend is needed in this method. Still, you will receive the form and the data, whichever is submitted by the forms on your website or landing page. Now our forms are updated, our content is ready, and the website is fully functional. You can now deploy the website using GitHub or simply download it, or you can just host it on Google Cloud Run. I have also created very detailed videos on deployment, so you can check this as well on my channel. Using this method, you can build amazing websites and landing page and even sell them to clients and earn in dollars. Honestly, this is one of the easiest way to create professional websites and landing pages today. You can take any template, redesign it, customize it, and make it completely your own. I hope you find this information useful. Try it yourself and see the result. In this video, help you subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who might need it. Also, join my Telegram group where I shared all the prompt used here in this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.